What's up mga kalakatseros? Welcome back to Ron's Kitchen. So right now, magluluto tayo ng chicken adobo. So ito yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin for this chicken adobo recipe. 1 kilo na chicken, soy sauce and vinegar, oyster sauce, garlic, bay leaves, and gagamit din tayo later ng black pepper and cooking oil. Okay, so yung first step natin, lagay lang po natin yung chicken dun sa kawali. And then, soy sauce. Bay leaves po natin. And then, black pepper. And yung ating vinegar. And yung ating garlic. And then, lulutuin lang natin. Takpan muna natin. Antayin natin kumulo. Okay, so once kumulo na po yan guys, babalik na rin lang natin. Okay guys, so by this time, ililipat lang natin yung chicken. Di pa ito luto, so may isang process pa tayong gagawin dito. Then yung sabaw, ililipat lang natin dito. Ayan. And then, on same pot, lagay lang tayo ng cooking oil. Iprituhin lang natin yan. Then the oyster sauce. Then mix lang natin. And then tikman natin kung sakto na yung tamis and acid. Pwede na po natin ibalik yung chicken. Then haluin lang natin. Then pakuluin lang natin for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're ready to serve na yan. Okay, so this is ready guys. Lipat na natin sa serving plate natin. I hope nasundan nyo po yung recipe natin ng chicken adobo. I hope you subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, please subscribe now and click that notification bell so that you'll be updated on our next upload. Bye!